Taking part in the historic Monaco rally is something extraordinary for me. Of course, together with my colleagues and NRF brand, it's double. So for me, it's wow. Shortly speaking, wow.
Come on, it's fantastic. This is great atmosphere, beautiful trips around the mountains, beautiful roads, and sometimes hard to drive. So very nice.
Oh, I'm super impressed. It's such a nice pleasure to be here in this event. It's a nice opportunity for me, and also to be participating with the NRF car. I'm super excited.
And what was the most challenging for you?
I think episode in mountains. It was really curved, slightly dangerous, but at the same time thrilled.
Some roads were difficult to manage, but on the other side the views were astonishing. So general feeling, I'm super happy.
What would be the worst situation during the whole rally?
Worst situation? Get lost.
There is not really a worse situation, so you have to cope with everything. We had a nice off-road part, which was different. So
how did the cars with NRF parts perform in your eyes?
Amazing, no issues at all.
I must say, so far, great. So no issue.
Do you think the eco rallies like this one are on par with the standard ones?
Of course, there are some simple collocations like the routes, but behavior of the car is totally different than combustion one. Nevertheless, you have power from zero. From the starting point, so it's a good combination of acceleration and handling.
They are a little different because the stages are kind of different, the way of managing it's different, but nevertheless it's a rally. It's the atmosphere, it's the participants, it's the cars, so I would say that it's equal.
It's different. Again, you have some additional difficulties with the range and manage your energy and the other things. Yeah, okay, it's not like a rally, a classic rally with high speed. It's a regularity rally. So.